What up?
What's up YouTube? We're back with another video and finally we get to see Derek's GTI. What are we doing today?
We're doing diffuser, front lip and diffuser.
Alright, let's get to it.
What's up guys? This is my MK6 red GTI. Today we're doing the front lip installation. We got right here. It's gonna go there. And then we're doing a custom rear diffuser that we're gonna put together for the back of the car. So we're gonna unscrew some bolts and we'll get to it. Under the car here, we got 9 Torx screws, and they're what, a T25, I think they're T25. There's 9 of them down here. I already took off most of them. I'm just on the last one here, so I'm gonna take this one off. All right, so we got all the screws out. So now I'm gonna pull this piece off, which I already pulled it off. It was clips. It was a little hard to come off, but it came off with a little work. And this will make it easier to screw in the lip to this plastic piece here. And it already has holes cut out for if you wanted to put any lip on with the same pattern. So, and I think we went and got bolts. They're 10 millimeters, which you can buy at a hardware store or car store, and they fit in the holes. And we got little
Lock
nuts, and everything lines up. So you just gotta line everything up with the existing holes, and we'll get it screwed in for here. All right, so I'm on the last one. I already tightened the other one, so I'm just gonna tighten this one so it's nice and snug, and then it should be good. It's snug on there, and Marco will show you what it looks like from up top.
Well, let us know what you guys think. I mean, I think it looks good.
I like it.
It doesn't look too crazy.
I think it looks better. It fills up that MK6 little weird gap area.
Yeah.
In the front.
And then it's real carbon fiber, so I mean, let us know what you guys think in the comments.
So we got the lip all set. It's on the ground now. Marco will give you a little look at it. I think it looks pretty good.
I like it a lot. And we got more coming for the front. We're not gonna say what it is yet.
Yeah, I got a little something more in the front. But
for now, that's pretty good. And what do we have over here?
Now we're starting on the rear diffuser, the custom one we're gonna do, which you already had this metal piece.
So that one was on my E39. I got some pictures on my Instagram of what it used to look like on the car. But now we're gonna custom mount it and
to my existing diffuser to make it more aggressive. And Marco will show you, he already customized it a little to fit this better. Cut off here and trim the sides a little bit.
And we're gonna paint the whole thing at the end.
And yeah, I'm gonna paint it all gloss black and put a clear coat on it. And then I got a little side canard things too.
Yeah, we'll show you guys those once we're gonna do this first and fill in those, because we got extra holes. You can see.
Yeah, we're gonna fill in these extra ones here and this one, and then we're gonna keep these 3
for the mounting points. And see the back of the car where it looks like now, with nothing on it.
Nothing on it.
That's what it looks like.
Just see the exhaust.
But yeah, so let's get to it. Let's start on it. We got one bolt. I mean, it's not screwed in, but just so this will move around, and we're gonna freaking drill into this piece.
This is the first time the The GTI's made it on an episode.
About time.
About time.
Yeah, but I mean, I think it's gonna look pretty good considering it's not made for this car.
Yeah.
You know?
We customized it.
Custom.
That's why it's custom.
And then don't worry about the color of these bolts because everything's gonna get repainted.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm gonna paint it gloss black and put some clear coat on it.
Yeah.
It's gonna look all shiny and pretty.
And that's kind of what it's gonna look like.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? And it's aired up right now.
It's aired up. Yeah, she's not lowered.
And then on the sides, we're gonna fill it in. So there's not this giant gap in between.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to fill that in. And once it's mounted on, right, we're gonna fill all that in.
And then we'll paint it. I think it looks good.
I think it looks cool.
Makes the car look aggressive.
Yeah, so let's line everything up and then get it ready for paint. All right, so we're gonna use this shit. It's called Quick Steel. Find it at like AutoZone and stuff. And we're gonna use this to fill in this hole right here. That right there, and then that. We'll probably end up leaving this because, like, see right through it. If not, we'll fill it in. But we're gonna do this first before Derek paints it. And we added a couple more screws right here. These two, these little ones, on top of these giant ones that we put in, just to
hold it better.
Just to hold it better.
So it's more flush.
Flat, yeah. Because there was a gap that we wanted to fill out.
Alright, what's up guys? We got it all bolted up to the existing diffuser, so it's all together. Everything's filled up, those holes are filled up. And we're gonna get the paint. We're gonna lay down some coats.
What color are we doing?
We're doing gloss black.
Cool.
Double coverage.
Hey, so we don't got no paint shop, so we're gonna do it out here in the backyard. Dang, I didn't know you knew how to paint. I forgot to tell you, but we used right there rubbing alcohol to remove all the grease and stuff off the metal and plastic so the paint sticks.
Alright guys, we got it all done.
A couple hours later.
A couple hours later, had to let it dry. I think it came out pretty good besides some pollen on it. We got a lot of pollen there. But it looks pretty good, I think.
Let us know what you guys think, like we said earlier.
What you think about it. It's custom, so obviously it's not perfect, but hey, never do.
It's our first time doing it.
First time doing it.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and throw it on.
We're all finished up. Got her aired out. All her little pieces back on, painted. We got the little lip up front. Not quite touching the ground, but it looks better.
It looks better. Almost touching the ground.
Almost.
But you're also running 19s, which
I'm running 19, so. And I'm tucking 19.
Tucking 19s.
And then we got the diffuser all finished up with the
fins,
side fins.
Let us know what you guys think. I think it looks aggressive. It looks so much better.
First time doing a custom diffuser. I think it turned out pretty good. I think it makes the car look more aggressive. What's up? We're back. Everything went good. The diffuser, I think, came out pretty good, you know.
Even though there's a bunch of pollen falling?
Yeah, there's a bunch of pollen on it, but I think it came out good for our first customized diffuser. And then the lip looks real good too.
The paint looks good too.
Yeah.
The paint looks pretty good.
And don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page.
And subscribe to our channel, please.
And give us a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, click that thumbs down twice.
Twice. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.
Alright, peace.